Hey guys, I'm bringing you another video, and I'm very excited to show you. I got my Jags hat on, my Brandon Detail Doctor shirt. I'm representing the company that I own, and also we're highly rated on Google, 4.9, 60 something reviews, almost perfect. I'll explain what happened with one review later and what not to do, and trust my words, never do this kind of thing. Follow me, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, you name it. I have it, except Twitter. I don't use Twitter. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning of the carpet. My spray bottle from Garage One. I'll put the link of the place where I use in Tampa, Florida. They do delivery across the world. Also, this is kind of like a toilet brush, but they sell it for detailing for between the seats. Works awesome. Also, my rotary buffer, which is made for really doing paints, but I use it to do the carpet, and it works awesome. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the next step. Don't fall. For perfect lines. And that's my guys, my gals. That's how we do the carpet. Check us out. Always a pleasure doing videos for you guys. If you like, comment, share, and follow. Have a great day, guys. And we're in Tampa, Florida. It's kind of cloudy today. Yeah, not bad. Feels good. I got my AirPods in so you guys can hear me talk. But that's how you do carpets. Awesome.